In the late 1600s, Scotland attempted to colonise the Darien Peninsula in what is now Panama with the ambitious aim of establishing a trade route to Asia. For a number of reasons, the Darien scheme failed, bringing huge losses, human and monetary, to much of the country. Combined with a few years of crop failure, as the 1700s dawned, Scotland was bankrupt. The Scottish nobility and landowners decided to accept a bailout from England, prompting the famous line from poet Robert Burns decades later, "Bought and sold for English gold," and political union with England was established in 1707. The merged Great Britain flourished for the next 200 years, but now, in 2021, the union is under extreme threat. Scottish and Welsh parliamentary and English council elections on the 6th of May are being very closely watched because they have the potential to signify a fracturing of the union and another move towards independence for Scotland. Conventional analysts suggest that such a move will put pressure on UK assets. We look at the markets and causality in a different way, realising that herding human behaviour drives prices and that it is patterned. A pattern exists in the British pound at the moment, suggesting that it might devalue versus the European Union euro. This is being supported by the existence of a bullish outside month in the chart of euro sterling. The evidence here points to a significantly weaker pound in the months ahead. Not only that, the British stock market could also be set up for a tumble, with the rally from 2020 looking very much like a counter-trend bounce, albeit a strong one. Up against resistance in the form of old support, if our analysis is correct, the FTSE 100 has the potential to decline markedly over the rest of the year. So, will the election results due over the next couple of days result in weaker British assets? We turn it round and say that with weaker UK assets looking likely, it might mean that the 2021 elections could stand out in history. Stay tuned to stay one step ahead of the crowd.